But before I do that, I need to answer the question of who am I? So my name is George Vernon. I'm the health expert over there for the Principals Club. It's a private membership for dental practice owners here in the UK. But for me, health and performance started a very long time ago. So it started, I was 11 years old when I first walked into a boxing gym. And I went there because I was a bit of a shy, nervous, anxious kid, honestly. So it was to knock a bit of confidence into me was the hope. 33 fights later, I honestly got obsessed with physical health, nutrition, performance. I competed at somewhat of a decent level, pushing on to national level. That afforded me a sports scholarship whilst I studied at university. So I did my undergrad degree in sports and exercise science, did a master's degree in strength and conditioning. As soon as I could, I got qualified to go and coach in gyms. So I worked with pretty much every health and fitness goal over the past number of years. And then 2020 came. I officially finished fighting myself, and there was multiple reasons why I finished fighting. One of the main reasons was that a 16-year-old beat me up, so I thought it was about time to quit. I'm not going to share the full story of that. Please feel free to grab me and ask me that in private later if you want to. But I couldn't let go of the boxing identity, as you can probably tell from the fact that I still share these pictures now. So I went into coaching amateur professional boxers. I worked with elite athletes during my master's degree to help them operate at their peak. I then did a fitness education company where we qualified new personal trainers, existing personal trainers in 2020. And I just want to share a little business story from my perspective now. So Bobby there, just as an example, and this taught me a massive lesson in business that I'd love to share with you all. But that business didn't work out how I thought it should have done. But it taught me a valuable lesson in that if you go into business, if you go into your work and operate at 100%, where you genuinely want to help the person and give as much as you can, great things always happen, whether it works out for you how you want it to or not. And Bobby now, he's running a phenomenal business where he gives disabled children the opportunity to thrive with his coaching, and he's doing phenomenally well. And we were just a very small part of that journey, but it's a part that I'm really proud of, and I just wanted to share that as a little bit of a business lesson just from my own journey. In 2020, I'd done the physical health and nutrition. Psychology was at the forefront. I realized that was the thing that I had to focus on if I wanted to help people create the lasting transformations that I do now. So I've done psychology education courses, live days, read every scientific journal article I could, read the books, everything in between. And as you could probably hear, I had lots of different things going on, as I'm sure you all do now. And I was fortunate enough to have a business mentor many years ago where he told me, George, you've got to pick, because you're going to burn out if you don't pick. You're going to be doing too many things and it's all going to be very average. So I do one thing now. I'm a health and performance coach for medical professionals, business owners, senior leaders. These are a couple of the testimonials. I always say to people, it's one thing to listen to me chat about what I do, but I post as much testimonials as I can on my page. People that I work with say far better than I ever do. So go check my LinkedIn, Instagram, all that. And then I want to just share, so a couple of the physical health transformations that I've worked with dentists for. So the physical side of things, the nutrition side of things, and dental executives with long-term health transformations. And majority of the work has truthfully been around management of mindset and stress management, because it's one of the most important things. And I don't share this all with you, so I hope someone rushes up on stage and gives me a big pat on the back. I just wanted to share that with you so you understand where I'm coming from. You understand the framework, how that was created from an evidence-based process of science, my experience getting results. And I also wanted you to understand that this works for people exactly like you, dental professionals. My youngest client's 25, my oldest client is 63. Some have children, some don't. These frameworks really work no matter what stage or things that you've got going on in your life.